Morning, Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
Happy New Year. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
All right, January 1st, starting off the year right. Very first day, imagine that, a run. Woo! Rodney's here. We're in De Leon Springs, and we're doing the De Leon Springs Half Marathon today. It's Buck's birthday today as well, so happy birthday to Buck. Rodney's just fresh off West Virginia trip. What do you think about your run today?
I feel good. I feel pretty good. I'm still tired, but I'm going to be all right. I'm excited. It's going to be a good preparation for next month.
That's right. Rodney's coming to Tallahassee, and we're running the Tallahassee Marathon and half. So today's training run for him. For me, I don't know. We'll see how it goes. But it's flat course, a little cold this morning, foggy. It's good to be back in the Volusia County, the 386, which used to be the 904. That boy. All right, our wives are here.
Aww.
We get great support.
Our moms will be here.
Moms will be here too.
Kids.
We better do good.
Kids. Yep, kids
will be here. All right, we'll see you at the end. Rod, sign off.
All right,
What
see
do
ya.
do?
Let's go.
Dance.
Excited. Videoing.
Get set.
Go, Jeff! Go, Rodney! We're 1:23:30. Here he comes.
You
1:23.
ready?
Okay, go.
We're at the Leon Springs Half Marathon. Just finished PR by 10 minutes. Felt pretty good.
Okay, once
Some
more, we got a
places
little
felt
box
bad
up
and
here. If
some
you
other
don't know
ones,
what
but
people gathered
it's
around
good.
the table to
Ready
do,
for
they were
Tallahassee
putting
in a
their
month.
bib numbers in there, and they were saying that they might win
Got
the
it.
door prize.
Cheers. Samuel Adams.
And we
It was
have some
definitely
door
a good
prizes
day.
that are
Everybody's
typically
here.
funky,
Hi.
and we have some that are pretty good.
There you go.
Happy New Year!
Rodney ran a PR today, and I did as well.
Really can't see
1:23:41.
that easy. It's harder for us to read.
So I'm very happy about that. And now it's time for some pancakes. I'd say it was a good start to the year. What do you
Believe
think,
me, I
Rod?
thought of
Great
that.
start. Yep.
Except for those muscles.
That's right.
It's harder to.
Anyway, love y'all. Good to see
to
you.
do.
Thanks, baby. Take my beer up there with me.
Are you excited?
40 to 44 group, our winner from Tallahassee, Mickey Moore.
Woo!
Good race. Mickey, by the way, was third in the race.
All right.
From Melbourne, second place goes to...